I'm Chelsea. I'm the Toyota Product Specialist at Clint Newell Auto Group, and today we're going to talk about the 2020 Toyota 4Runner. Let's check it out. New to the 2020 Toyota 4Runner is Toyota Safety Sense. With that, you get dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system, automatic high beams, and lane departure alert. The biggest change to the 4Runner is the brand new 8-inch touchscreen display. With it, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new type of navigation that's called dynamic navigation. With dynamic navigation, you get destination assist, which connects you to a live person to help you get where you're going in cases where you're really lost. In addition to destination assist, you also get a wide variety of connected services, which include Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Remote Connect on certain models of the new 4Runner.
Nice.
Add that in there because I'm pretty sure they don't all come with it.
Nice.
They don't. Oh, you get the smart key. How did we not say that? How was that not the first thing we talked about? Where did I put the key? Yeah, you get this thing. You get a button now. With the smart key, you get keyless entry, available remote connect, and a push button start. Thanks for checking out the 2020 4Runner with me. I'll see you next time.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
What am I doing now? Don't look at me. Go away.
Go away. Read some books.
Go. Go away. Read some books.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Hi, I'm Chelsea. The biggest change to the 2020 4Runner is the brand new 8-inch.
Why? Why?
Hey, did you leave a tripod out in service by Bina's desk?
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh.
Yeah, my hands were full. Yep.
New to the 2020 4Runner.
Are you guys taking pictures?
We're doing a video, but you're not in it. You're behind the mirror.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you're
You're good.
Yep, can't see ya.
I've all eaten cheese back here.
You're perfect.